Okay guys, so I moved this videos over here and the weather videos over there, so let's do that. What? Let's turn the weather videos on.
Thunderstorm risk. Elevated flooding risk. Sunday and Monday, limited flooding risk. Limited thunderstorm risk. Tuesday, limited thunderstorm risk.
See, that's
Elevated
11:05.
excessive heat
Usually
risk.
time at weekly test.
Wednesday,
So
elevated
let's
excessive
turn
heat
our weather
risk.
video for W100.
Discussion. High waves will cause dangerous swimming
Now
conditions
wait.
at Lake Michigan beaches
Now
early
wait.
Friday morning.
And now we're gonna wait.
There will be periodic bouts of showers and thunderstorms Friday night through Tuesday. Any storms during this period may be strong to severe, capable of producing damaging winds and torrential rainfall, which could lead to flash flooding. Dangerous heat and humidity is possible in the middle of next week. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight.
Come on.
The following is a beach hazard
There we
statement
go.
from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Indiana, Lake and Porter. What? High wave action and dangerous currents expected at Lake Michigan beaches. Waves 4 to 7 feet expected. Where? In Illinois, Lake, Northern Cook and Central Cook counties. In Indiana, Lake and Porter counties. When? Through Friday morning. Impacts. Swimming conditions will be life-threatening, especially for inexperienced swimmers. For information on swim advisories or bans at Chicago beaches, www.beaches.com. Additional details. Highest waves expected along the northwest Indiana shore. Remain out of the water to avoid dangerous swimming conditions and do not venture out onto piers, jetties, breakwalls, or other shoreline structures. Here is your forecast for Valparaiso and surrounding communities. For rest of today, mostly cloudy. Nearly steady temperatures in the lower 70s. North winds around 10 miles per hour. For tonight,
I can't wait for this longer anymore. So, yep, there he is.
The preceding was a test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. The current time is 11:16 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight. Weather hazards expected. High. Swim. Risk Lake Michigan beaches. Discussion. High waves and life-threatening currents are expected at unprotected Lake Michigan beaches. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. Friday morning, high swim risk Lake Michigan beaches. Friday night, limited flooding risk. Limited thunderstorm risk. Saturday, elevated thunderstorm risk with an associated level 1 and 5 severe thunderstorm.
Okay, so I checked the email for Gmail for National Weather Service in Chicago. I just checked to see the 11:15 started weekly test instead of 11:05. So that's it. Well, there you have it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.